Mire, a ver, ¿qué hacemos? A ver, tenemos esto. Si imagínese que usted tiene así tenemos que ¿qué queremos hacer? Queremos hacer el game, ¿cierto? ¿Y cómo hacemos eso? Pues fomentando las interacciones psicológicas del trabajo, ¿cierto? ¿Cómo hacemos eso? A ver, el juego, ¿cómo hacemos esto? ¿Cómo hacemos esto? A ver. ¿Cómo hacemos esto? Lo hacemos como give me the set of rules about what? About the compiler who runs Unity. Oh, I like my feeling. My feeling is the best, baby. Oh shit, I was there. Just a second. ¿Qué tenemos? Ábreme otro. Listo. ¿Estamos en dónde? Estamos en las reglas que en las reglas que producen acciones. What kind of actions? Code actions. Elements around the idea of what? Give me the idea of the objectives and tracing of objective. Entonces, I want to be able to make show me things going on. Enable this, then enable that, then enable little things. Be able to create be able to create little things working. That's right. If you're able to create little things working, going on into 5, going on into 5, everything could be alright, everything could be better, but right now it's less better cause you not listen to this man. I'm gonna start writing what you're going to cry, working, you're going to work with a set of things, list of things, of achievements. What kind of achievements you're going to achieve? Things, achieve things, and that's okay. So if we do that, if we do this thing, what we acquire? Okay, I need to set things going on with instantiation, then a text input, text input, model input, movement. Right now what I'm doing is thinking in these ideas, in these concepts to make, in these concepts in order to do things with the compiler, because instantiation basically is run things in a cycle, but you store things in memory. That's right, you store things in memory. When you store things in memory, what computer does is run a signal that download the storage, the set of bits that make a data, make a structure of data loaded in a certain amount of bit spaces, you know that, and then apply algorithms that you make around this concept about this structure of data, and calculate and operate that data into what you're going to operate data. You're going to operate data in what way? You're going to operate data in what way? You're going to operate data in the way you want to operate it. Because if you're going to define a set of operations, they all diverge, or everything focus into the math operations. If you're able to define math operations in how to calculate, in how to sum, divide, multiply, factorize, derivate, integrate, and make things work in the way you think it could be. If you're able to focus your mind into the objective you want to achieve, you could obtain better definition of the present time, and that could be better. But right now I'm trying to focus in bits, in interaction of data. Then you operate numbers, and those numbers are then translated into positions that a virtual eye, there is camera, going to take the pixel. We define it, want to watch the color, the element which is visible through the camera, to the space where we, to the portal we want to enable, the portal we want to enable to see the world working, the world we're trying to make. So if we make this thing work, if we make this thing amplify the perception of the present time, what we could make is the next thing. What thing? We could make what? We could make model inputs that we could watch through the portal we're making, these lenses, this eye, this space that make us watch another dimensions, is called monitor. So if you are able to acquire these monitors, we can be able to watch. We can do the next scene, which would be what? Manage data like this input, manage instantiation and operation of algorithms, model input, which is at the same time algorithms displayed in the proper way we want to define them, and movement, which is already another algorithm. So if you want to summarize this object, we could call this rhythms, so just like that. So if you're able to acquire an algorithm, what could be this algorithm? What could be? It's a set of instruction based on samples. What kind of samples? Easy. It's just simple. What kind of symbols? What kind of simplicity we're searching here? Symbols. Look at this. Symbols about what? You're going to show me? Safe, of course, safe. We're going to achieve safement. Sorry, yes. Then what? Yeah, what you would do when you know that you got this thing going on. You got this composition, which is this array of data of we got the opportunity to add. Look at this. The only thing that you at the end do is two things. At the end of the day, what you do with this you do a lot. Basically, you do what you want to make. But and now I want to make comparison And addition, yeah, that is addition and comparison. Basically, everything summarized in comparison and summaration, the equal and the plus. Everything is related with this. If you're capable to achieve this and this in different ways, you enable what you want. You enable what you want. Because everything summarizing how you know if two things, and how two things differentiate between each other, and how we add things together, and that's it. You make everything with this, and then what you gonna do if you're able to make that? With this, you're able to what? You're able to make what kind of details? What kind of details you can employ? Because every detail could make a lot of things, right? We got the ability. Because that's pretty neat. That's good. That's something a lot. That's pretty cool, right? So that's what, and then instantiating objects. Okay, so we summarize everything in compilers of this set of instructions: summarization and comparison, addition, summaration. That term even exists. Summaration. So summary. The summaration. This summary. Summaration. La summaration. The summation, the addition, and the comparison of objects, of elements. At the end of the day, in comparison, comparison of what? Comparison of what? Comparison of ones and zeros, baby. Ones and zeros. 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. Active and inactive. That's all. You're between that. You're or active or inactive. Tell me. Are you active? Because if you're active, tell me how it feels. Kid? Okay, active. We're activating emotions. We're activating emotions and data. Emotions and data. Give me automation in data. But I want to be more descriptive and what embodiment. I want to be more descriptive. I want to be more descriptive in what environment. I want to be more descriptive in this area of understanding. What is this area of understanding? Where 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 is this area of understanding? This area of understanding is we're going to achieve first of all how to run. Let me just say this a moment. Okay, I know what you're talking. Show me. Cause shit makes me sad. tuku, 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 tuku. Show me this. We're gonna make what? You're going to show me this. Yes. Okay. Okay. Say me. Tell me. If I start doing this, what would happen? What would happen? What could happen? What could happen if I make this with you and me? What you going to make is this to show me, show me what? Show me what? What you making? What you making? Tell me. What are you making? Tell me. Tell me what you making. Tell me what you making. Are you making? What are you making? What are you making? Oh, baby, what you making? What are you making? What you making? Baby, what are you making? What you making? listo. Mire, ¿qué tenemos? Mira, tenemos esto. ¿Qué es lo que tenemos? Ya le digo. ¿Qué es lo que tenemos? Tenemos esto. Tenemos esto. Instanciaciones. Instantiation. 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 Then we got what? Movement. If we need to make this and this happen, ¿cierto? Movement sería instantiation. Listo. Entonces, ver estas dos cosas corriendo y ya ese sería nuestro siguiente paso, ¿cierto? Pasito, pasito. Ese sería nuestro siguiente paso. Así. Así. Nuestro siguiente paso es eso. Pónmelas y muévelas. Hazme cositas y luego las unes. Hazme cositas y luego las unes. Y luego... ¿qué? Y luego... ¿qué? A ver. Bueno, sería buscar la manera de entender cómo es que Unity hace esto. Instanciación, ¿cierto? Y luego que... acción. ¿Qué hace? Listo, ¿qué hace? Entonces... hay algo que se llama SGPU y Object Pooling en hay algo que es como ILS, algo así que optimiza la... no sé, bueno, estas serían como las tres ideas. Yo voy a usar esta. ¿Por qué esta? Porque es más eficiente. Porque esta es más eficiente. Ya que permite la utilización de las tres, ¿cierto? ¿Y por qué? Porque es la manera en la que está pensada, es la manera en la que está pensada el motor, es la forma en la que el motor, El motor está diseñado. O sea, existen varias formas, pero toca probarlas, entonces toca conocerlas y saber cómo actúan, cómo es que todas se comportan, cómo se comportan entre sí, ¿cierto? Bien, eso sería por ahí. Entonces me guardas y quedamos en instanciaciones. 75. Estamos en instanciaciones. Ay, aquí me va a demostrar. ¿Esto qué es? ¿Esto qué es? ¿Esto qué es? ¿Esto cuál es? ¿Esto cuál es? What it could be that? Let's see. And this is what? This is what? Show me, what is this? This is this, ok. Entonces, tenemos